The heartland of America holds secrets, ancient secrets that whisper through the winds and echo in the valleys. Ohio, a land of rolling hills and fertile river valleys, was once home to a remarkable people. These lands, rich and bountiful, nurtured a civilization that thrived in harmony with nature. We know them as the Hopewell, a culture that left an indelible mark on the landscape and history of North America. They flourished long before European settlers arrived, creating a legacy that continues to intrigue and inspire. The Hopewell left behind a legacy of astonishing earthworks. These monumental structures are a testament to their ingenuity and cultural sophistication. They reveal a deep understanding of engineering and a profound connection to the land. The Hopewell Ceremonial Earthworks are a complex network of mounds, walls, and geometric enclosures. Each structure meticulously planned and executed. They are scattered across the Ohio landscape, each site telling a story of a people who revered the earth and the skies. These are not simple burial mounds. They are intricate designs that served multiple purposes from ceremonial to astronomical. They are massive architectural achievements. Their scale and precision continue to baffle archaeologists and historians alike. Some structures span hundreds of acres, showcasing the Hopewell's ability to mobilize and organize large groups of people for a common purpose. They are aligned with astronomical events, indicating a sophisticated knowledge of the cosmos and its cycles. This points to the Hopewell's advanced understanding of the cosmos. Their legacy is a reminder of the incredible achievements of ancient cultures and their enduring impact on our world today. The Hopewell culture emerged around 200 BCE. They thrived for over 600 years. They were not a single unified tribe. They were a complex network of interconnected communities. They shared a common cultural identity. This identity was expressed through their art, their rituals, and their monumental architecture. The Hopewell were skilled farmers. They cultivated crops like maize, beans, and squash. They supplemented their diet with hunting and gathering. They were also traders. Their trade networks stretched across North America. They exchanged goods and ideas with distant cultures. Building the earthworks was a monumental undertaking. It required immense labor and organization. Thousands of people must have worked together. They moved millions of cubic feet of earth. They used simple tools. These included baskets, digging sticks, and stone tools. The earthworks were not built haphazardly. They were carefully planned. They were designed with geometric precision. Many structures incorporate circles, squares, and octagons. These shapes may have held symbolic meaning. They may reflect the Hopewell's understanding of the cosmos. The Hopewell people were keen observers of the natural world. They paid close attention to the movements of the sun, moon, and stars. They incorporated these observations into their architecture. Many earthworks are aligned with significant astronomical events. These include solstices and equinoxes. This alignment suggests that the earthworks were not merely functional structures. They were also ceremonial sites. They were places where the Hopewell people connected with the cosmos. They performed rituals. They celebrated the cycles of nature. They honored their ancestors. Section 5. A window to the past. Archaeological discoveries. Archaeologists have been excavating the Hopewell earthworks for over a century. These excavations have yielded a treasure trove of artifacts. These artifacts provide insights into Hopewell culture. They tell us about their daily lives, their beliefs, and their rituals. Among the most remarkable discoveries are elaborate grave goods. These were buried with the Hopewell elite. These goods include copper jewelry, obsidian blades, and intricately carved pipes. These objects suggest a complex social structure. They point to a belief in the afterlife. Section 6. The Hopewell Interaction Sphere, a Tapestry of Cultures. The Hopewell were not isolated. They were part of a vast trade network. This network is known as the Hopewell Interaction Sphere. It spanned much of eastern North America. It connected diverse cultures and peoples. Through these networks, the Hopewell exchanged goods and ideas. They traded for exotic materials. These included copper from the Great Lakes region and obsidian from the Rocky Mountains. These materials were crafted into objects of beauty and ritual significance. Section 7. Ritual and Ceremony. Unraveling the Mysteries. The true purpose of the Hopewell earthworks remains a mystery. However, their size, complexity, and astronomical alignment suggest that they were used for ritual and ceremonial purposes. They were places where people gathered. They celebrated, mourned, and connected with the cosmos. Some scholars believe that the earthworks were used for ritual games. Others suggest that they were used for astronomical observations. Still, others believe that they were sacred spaces. They were used for communicating with spirits and ancestors. Section 8. Celestial Alignments. Messages from the Stars. The Hopewell people's fascination with the cosmos is evident in the astronomical alignments of their earthworks. Many structures are oriented towards significant celestial events. These include solstices and equinoxes, as well as the rising and setting points of certain stars. These alignments suggest that the Hopewell had a sophisticated understanding of astronomy. They may have used their knowledge of the stars to track time, predict seasons, and guide their rituals. Their celestial alignments may have served as a way to connect with the divine. Section 9. Legacy of the Ancients, Preserving the Past. The Hopewell earthworks are a testament to the ingenuity and cultural sophistication of a vanished people. They are a reminder that long before European settlers arrived, North America was home to thriving cultures. These cultures possessed their own unique beliefs, technologies, and artistic traditions. Today, the Hopewell earthworks are protected as national historical parks and UNESCO World Heritage Sites. Preserving these ancient wonders is crucial. They offer a glimpse into a fascinating chapter of human history. They remind us of the enduring power of human ingenuity and the importance of safeguarding our shared cultural heritage. Section 10. Unanswered questions, mysteries yet to be solved. Despite decades of research, many mysteries still surround the Hopewell earthworks. These ancient structures, built by the Hopewell culture, have puzzled experts for years. We don't know exactly why they were built. Were they used for ceremonial purposes or perhaps as astronomical observatories? We don't know how the Hopewell people organized the labor force needed to construct them. The sheer scale of these earthworks suggests a highly organized society. We don't know why the Hopewell culture eventually declined. Was it due to environmental changes, conflicts, or other unknown factors? These unanswered questions continue to intrigue archaeologists, historians, and the public alike. Each discovery brings us a step closer to understanding this ancient civilization. They remind us that the past is a puzzle that requires patience, dedication, and a keen eye for detail. We are only just beginning to piece together. Every artifact, every piece of evidence adds to the larger picture of the Hopewell culture. The exploration and study of the Hopewell earthworks are an ongoing process. New technologies and methods are constantly being developed to aid in this research. New discoveries may one day unlock the secrets of these ancient wonders. Until then, the Hopewell earthworks remain one of history's most fascinating enigmas. Section 11. Conclusion, a timeless legacy. The Hopewell Ceremonial Earthworks stand as enduring monuments to a vanished culture. These ancient structures, meticulously crafted by the Hopewell people, have withstood the test of time, weathering centuries of change and still standing strong today. They are a testament to the power of human ingenuity, creativity, and spirituality. The Hopewell people, with their limited tools and resources, managed to create something that continues to inspire awe and wonder in the modern world. As we explore these ancient wonders, we are reminded of the deep connections between humanity, nature, and the cosmos. The alignment of the earthworks with celestial events speaks to a sophisticated understanding of astronomy and a profound spiritual connection to the universe. The Hopewell people may be gone, but their legacy lives on. Their culture, their knowledge, and their spirit are preserved in these mounds, offering us a glimpse into a world long past. It lives on through the silent mounds and enigmatic enclosures. These structures, though silent, speak volumes about the people who built them and the society they lived in. They left their mark on the landscape. The paths and footprints we see today are echoes of the journeys taken by the Hopewell people, a testament to their daily lives and their connection to the land. They remind us to look to the stars. The celestial alignments of the earthworks encourage us to ponder our place in the universe and the mysteries that lie beyond our world. They remind us to honor the past. By preserving these sites and learning from them, we pay tribute to the Hopewell people and ensure that their legacy is not forgotten. They remind us to never stop exploring the mysteries of the universe and our place within it. The Hopewell Earthworks are not just relics of the past, they are beacons guiding us towards a deeper understanding of our history and our future.